Hi, Jane Cleland here. And a really interesting question. Is 100 scenes for an 87,000 word thriller too many? First of all, this begs the question about whether you write thinking in scenes. But let's say that you do. Well, 87,000 words, I think in pages. My contracts call 85, 90,000 words, somewhere in there. So that's right in the ballpark for the kinds of crime fiction that I write. Although I will say thrillers tend to be a little bit longer. And um, if you think in terms of 360 pages, that's about as long as mine is going to be for that length. And it's not a hard and fast rule, right? Because if you have a lot of dialogue, you can have fewer words on a page. If you're using exposition, you're going to have more words on a page. So it's an estimate. Let's call it 360 for a round number. Now, why is that a round number? It's a round number because most people say you need at least 60 scenes. So 60 scenes on 360 pages, do the math. You're saying each chapter, i.e. scene, is 6 pages. That sounds right. I aim for 7 to 10. My chapters tend to be a little bit longer, but 6-page chapters, that's good, right? So now 100, 87,000 words, we're still at 360. You're dividing by 100. You're looking at 3 to 4 page chapters. And you know what? I think that's good in a thriller. Thrillers tend to be quite fast-paced. And in a sense, the faster the pace, the more likely readers are going to want to turn that page. And that's what it's all about. Good luck with it.